In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train Claude 3 Opus to write like you. To start, gather your best writing samples before you even open Claude. A good range is about 5 to 15 pieces of content that you personally wrote. These can be blog posts, YouTube scripts, emails, social media posts, or articles. The goal here is to give Claude enough material to recognize patterns in how you naturally communicate. In most cases, multiple examples work much better than relying on just one sample, because they reveal your habits more clearly. Once you have those ready, open Claude and create a new project. Give the project a clear, descriptive name, then upload your writing samples into it. This matters because projects keep your instructions and reference files available across conversations, which makes the style training much more consistent over time. After that, ask Claude to analyze your writing style. You want it to study your tone, sentence structure, vocabulary preferences, formatting habits, pacing, and any recurring patterns. Then have it turn that analysis into a detailed writing style guide. This step is important because it helps Claude break down your voice into something it can repeatedly follow instead of just guessing. Next, create a writing style document based on that analysis. Make sure it covers your tone, vocabulary, sentence length, formatting style, transition phrases, common expressions, things you never say, and words you avoid. When that document is ready, upload it back into the project as a reference file. That gives Claude a more explicit blueprint for how to sound like you. Then add custom instructions inside the project instructions section. Be very direct about how Claude should write. For example, tell it to follow your style guide exactly. Use short and direct sentences. Avoid corporate language, avoid AI-sounding phrases, match your pacing and formatting, and prioritize clarity over complexity. These instructions act like persistent guidance every time you use that project. You should also include what not to do. This part is often overlooked, but it can make a huge difference. If there are patterns you dislike, define them clearly. That might include no EM dashes, no motivational fluff, no corporate buzzwords, no generic AI introductions, and no unnecessary conclusions. Clear limits usually improve consistency. Now generate test content. Ask Claude to write things like a blog post, a YouTube script, an email, or a social media post, then compare that output to your real writing. If it misses the mark, give specific feedback. Instead of saying it doesn't sound like you, explain exactly why. Tell it if you use shorter sentences, prefer active voice, avoid formal language, or like to explain things with examples. Finally, when Claude produces something that genuinely sounds like you, save it, add it to your project files, and use it as another training example. Then create a reusable prompt telling Claude to write in your established style, follow your project instructions and samples, and prioritize your writing